This is the analysis of rural road development in India. The Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. The Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is flagship program of the Government of India, launched in December 2000 with the primary objective of providing all-weather road connectivity to unconnected villages in the rural areas. This transformative initiative has played a pivotal role in bringing the rural-urban divide, improving access to essential services, and fostering socio-economic development. Here is the overview of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, which launched to address the issue of inadequate road infrastructure in the rural India, which hampered development and connectivity. The program targets rural habitation with the population of 500 or more in a plain area and 250 or more in a hilly, tribal and desert area. The focus is on constructing new roads and upgrading existing ones to all-weather standards. The program is fully funded by a central government, although state governments are responsible for maintenance. Over the year, PMGSY has undergone several phases of the implementation, each focusing on a specific goal such as improving road quality, extending connectivity, and maintaining sustainable infrastructure. Achievements of PMGSY, which is known as Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Enhanced connectivity of PMGSY has provided road connectivity to over 97% of eligible habitations, covering more than 7 lakh kilometers of roads across the country as of 2025. Improve access to services. Better road infrastructure has enabled rural communities to access education, healthcare, market, and other essential services. It has significantly reduced travel time and improved the quality of life for millions. Economic growth. The program has facilitated better transportation of good agriculture product, leading to enhanced income opportunity for farmers and rural entrepreneurs. Improved connectivity has also attracted investment in rural areas, boosting local economics. Employment generation. PMGSY has created employment opportunity in the rural areas by engaging local laborers and contractors in the road construction and maintaining activities. Regional development. The program has contributed to development of remote and backward areas, ensuring balanced regional growth and reducing migrants to urban centers. Here is the innovation and sustainability of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. In a recent year, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana has embraced innovative practices to enhance sustainability and efficiency. Use of green technology. The program promotes eco-friendly construction techniques such as using waste plastic and fly ash in a road building to reduce environmental impact. Geotagging of roads. Through initiatives like online management, monitoring and accounting system, roads constructed under PMGSY are geotagged for a legal time monitoring and transparency. Digital mapping. Digital platform and satellite images are used to plan road alignment and ensure connectivity to all eligible habitation. Focus on maintenance. States are mandated to allocate funds for the maintenance of road, ensuring their longevity and usability. Here is the challenges and a way forward of the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Despite its success, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana faces challenges such as delay in the land acquisition, environmental clearance, and funding constraints. Inadequate maintenance in some states also affect the quality of road over the time. To overcome these challenges, the government is focusing on capacity building, community involvement, and better coordination between stakeholders. Continue emphasizes on green technologies and innovative solutions will ensure that rural road infrastructure remains sustainable and effective. Last but not the least, here is the conclusion of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana has been instrumental in transforming rural India by improving connectivity and fostering development. By addressing the challenges and focusing on long-term sustainability, PMGSY can continue to drive inclusive growth, bringing the gap between rural and urban India and contributing to the nation's progress. Thank you for watching this video.